Welcome to the first lesson. In this lesson we are going to download Unreal Engine. So search for Epic Games and download. Go to epicgames.com and from here you can download the Epic Launcher. You can also go to unrealengine.com and from here you can download the Unreal Engine. Basically it will also download the Epic installer. So just click on this and from here you can see different license type, publishing license and creator license. As we are going to develop game, so we can download the publishing license, but you can also do same things with this. As you can see, just only game development and other. So for this there are some other things which are missing. So don't worry, after downloading the Epic Launcher, just install the Epic Launcher. And you should also create account for the Epic Games. So as I already have downloaded the Epic Games, just click on this and open this. And after installing the Epic Launcher and create an account and log into your account, then you can see these 4 tabs. Just go to Unreal Engine and from here just go to library, and here you will see all the stuff relevant to your Unreal Engine will be here, as these contain all the versions which you have installed on your drive and all the projects on which you are working and other. As if you know that Epic give assets every month, free assets every month, you can claim those assets and those assets will be stored in your vault, and you can anytime import these assets into your project. So from here, if you want to change the engine versions, just select this and create your Unreal Engine. As we are working on the Unreal Engine 4.26, so I recommend you should download the 4.26. So from here you can select the 4.26, as it is not in list because I already have installed the 4.26. So I hope you will install the Unreal Engine correctly. Then I will see you in next lecture.